What is OpenUI? OpenUI is the latest version of the Siebel which gives capability to modify the UI elements compared to older HI version and gives cross-browser support with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. What is the difference between Siebel HI and Siebel OpenUI? Siebel HI is the old version of Siebel which works on ActiveX controls, whereas OpenUI is the latest version of Siebel which works with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript and gives cross-browser support, unlike HI version which works only in the Internet Explorer. What are the complex requirements you worked in Siebel OpenUI? Please tell some of the best features you have implemented in your current or previous projects. What is the difference between HTML and CSS? HTML is markup language which gives skeleton of the web page, whereas CSS is used for styling of UI components written in HTML. What is the difference between ID and class in HTML? IDs are unique. Each element can have only one ID. Each page can have only one element with that ID. Classes are not unique. You can use the same class on multiple elements. You can use multiple classes on the same element. What is the selector in JQuery? JQuery selectors allow you to select and manipulate HTML element. JQuery selectors are used to find HTML elements based on their name, ID, classes, types, attributes, values of attributes, and much more. What is the difference between JavaScript and JQuery? JavaScript is a language. JQuery is a library built with JavaScript to help JavaScript programmers who are doing common web tasks. What is manifest administration? It is the screen or functionality given in the OpenUI to associate JS files to an applet, view, or application. How do you associate JS file to an applet? JS files are associated in the manifest administration screen. Initially, JS file record should be created in the administration, application manifest files section, and later it is mapped to the applet in the administration, application manifest administration section. Can we associate JS file to a view in Siebel? Yes, we can associate at the applet, view, and an application level. What are the vanilla functions/methods available in the presentation model/PM? Define, init, add property, set property, get, execute method, add method. What are the vanilla functions or methods available in the physical renderer or PR? Init, show UI, show selection, BindData, BindEvents, end life. What are the differences between BindData and BindEvents methods? The BindData method downloads metadata and data from the Siebel server to the client proxy, and then binds this data to the user interface. BindEvents sets up the user interface binding of physical events to the user interface, represented as HTML elements. It captures the user actions, and then translates these actions to logical events in the physical renderer before Siebel Open UI sends them to the presentation model for processing. What is Siebel App Facade? Siebel App Facade is the namespace, which is the container or library for the functions in OpenUI. How can you dynamically append HTML to the applet controls? By using JQuery append method. How to debug JS files in Siebel Open UI. Verify JavaScript and CSS files are downloaded properly in the browser. Verify JavaScript class is properly loaded. Use siebeljs.log function to log messages. Use debugger statement to add breakpoints inside script. Can we call business service from PM or PR.js file? Yes, we can call. Go through other important concepts of OpenUI. All the best for your interview. Thanks for watching this video.